This is how to create pending orders for beginners. So the first thing you want to do is open up your trader and go to MetaQuotes. And here, go to New and go to Expert Advisor. We're going to create this called pending orders. We're going to be creating a basic buy limit and a few other pending orders to test out and see how it works, because I know many people have issues with this, so we're going to cover this in a very easy topic. So the first thing we're going to do is create an if, because we don't want to create hundreds and hundreds of pending orders. We just want one pending order, and we're going to be using that as a sample. So we're using orders total, and orders total equals 0. So it's going to check if the total orders are 0, and if it's true, it's going to execute the trade. Okay. So we're going to create an int, and we're going to call this buy limit. Okay. Order, and we're going to use send order send. We're going to use null. So null, what that means basically as it uses the default currency pair or default thing you're trading. We're going to use OP underscore buy limit for a starter. Okay. And just to go through this, guys, when you go OP buy means instant execution buy. Buy limit means when the price goes down, initiates your trade. Buy stop if the market's going up. Same thing for a sell limit. You know, if sell limit goes up, sell stop goes down. We're going to be using a buy limit for this example. Our volume for our trade is going to be 0.01. This is our lot size. We're going to use the ask. We're going to be using the ask price minus 100 pips. Okay. That's going to be our entry. Our slippage is going to be 10. And our stop loss, since our ask price is being pushed down, what we can do is this. Our ask, right, minus the 100 pips, because we're using pound, euro, pound, and then we're going to minus another 50 pips, just about. Oh. Okay. Our next thing we're going to do is our take profit. We're just going to use the ask price, okay? We're going to use null for our string, for our comment. We're going to use 0 for the magic number. And then our date of expiration, you're going to have to use something. We're going to use time current, right? And then how many seconds for time current. So what we can do is this right here. Put this down a little bit lower. So in 1 day is 8,640 seconds in a day. We want this to run for, just say, 1.5 days, okay? No, we can just do 2 days. So we're running for 2 days, and it's going to use the color, so CLR, let's do blue. Chocolate works. So we have our order right here. It's very simple. It's going to initiate our buy limit order at the ask price minus 100 pips. So 100 pips down, it's going to enter our order. It's going to run for 2 days. And have our target profit at that would be basically 100 pips, and our stop loss at 50 pips. Very easy way to do a buy limit order, okay? Now, we can add a little bit more to it. We can do a buy stop, doing the same exact thing, going up, and we can do this right here, okay? So we can, let's name this, oh, actually, no, let's just do it this way. Control Z, here, control. In a second, we got our buy limit. Let's actually add a little bit more to it. Let's do a buy stop. Now remember, our buy stop is when it goes up. So what we can do is just reverse it a little bit, but make sure we change this. Change it to a buy stop, and we can just do this right there. ask plus 100 pips, right? Our stop loss is going to be the ask. Let me see. So we got to make it a little bit different. Okay. But we have our stop loss is going to be ask plus 100 pips. So it's going to be the ask minus, I'm sorry. So we have up. So our entry is going to be the ask plus 100 pips. All we need to do is the ask plus 50 pips for the stop loss. Oops. Okay. And our TP will be ask plus, let's say 0. We already up 100 pips, so we got to do 200 pips. That makes sense. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Because we're already up 100 pips for the buy stop, and we can't have the target profit on the same level. So we're going to have the target profit up 100 pips from that. So it's going to be 100 pips up and then 100 pips. So 200 pips in total. And it's going to be the ask. Actually, it should be the ask plus, my bad, 50. So it should all work out. And this is going to be a buy limit and a buy stop. And we're going to run it. It's called pending orders. Okay. Go to our check right here, pending orders. Okay. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Pending orders. And once it start, we're going to run it on the 1 hour so you guys get a good visualization of what's happening. Hit pause a little bit. See how we have our buy stop all the way up here, target profit up there, and we have our buy limit. Okay. So we're just going to run it like this. Now, this is not made to make money, just show you how to use and create pending orders. Now, making a sell stop and sell limit are pretty much the exact same thing. Just change them around. And we'll just use this as an example. See? So they are pretty high from each other, but it just shows you how what it takes to create it. So what we can do is go back and modify the numbers. Maybe instead of doing 1 day or 2 days, maybe we can do a little bit longer. We can do from here, change our pending order time for, so this is 1 day. Let's try a week, 7 days, right? Tries this 7 days. See how that goes. We'll hit compile, make sure it runs again. We'll go back to the 1 hour, hit start. We're on pound. Well, I'm sorry, we're on euro pound. I said pound yen, my bad. So we're on euro pound. It'll run for a week and see if it hit the target profit or the stop loss. But this is just another example of how to use pending orders. And you guys can change it up. You guys can be like, I want to run it a little bit closer. Instead of doing 100 pips, I can do 200 pips. Instead of doing, like, you guys can modify this. It's very easy, basic code. And it's not going to enter a whole bunch of trades because it's either going to hit this one or this one right here. It technically could hit both, like go up, engage that trade, but it's going to knock it out. See how we enter our trade right here? See? Now we don't enter anything else until it hits the stop loss or the take profit. So we hit the stop loss on that trade. But see how simple it is to create something like that? It's not that hard. You can do the same thing for pending orders for sales and stops. Just change it over a little bit just with the numbers. But this is a beginner's guide on how to use it, guys. If any question or comments, let me know. I'm not posting the code on my website since it's very simple. You guys can look at the video for it. So just let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video.